Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari dan bagaimana menjawab dan merespon pertanyaan tersebut. Latihlah kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan kamu akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Ayo langsung saja kita mulai.
Where do you usually practice your English? Where do you usually practice your English?
Di mana kamu biasanya berlatih bahasa Inggris?
I usually practice at home or at the office. I usually practice at home or at the office.
Saya biasanya berlatih di rumah atau di kantor.
Do you think practice makes us perfect? Do you think practice makes us perfect?
Apakah kamu pikir latihan membuat kita sempurna?
Yes, practice makes us better every day. Yes, practice makes us better every day.
Ya, latihan membuat kita lebih baik setiap hari.
Do you practice English every day? Do you practice English every day?
Apakah kamu berlatih bahasa Inggris setiap hari?
Yes, I practice English every day. Yes, I practice English every day.
Ya, saya berlatih bahasa Inggris setiap hari.
What kind of training are you doing now? What kind of training are you doing now?
Jenis pelatihan apa yang sedang kamu ikuti?
I am doing leadership training this month. I am doing leadership training this month.
Saya sedang ikut pelatihan kepemimpinan bulan ini.
Do you think training makes work easier? Do you think training makes work easier?
Menurutmu apakah pelatihan membuat pekerjaan lebih mudah?
Yes, training helps me work more efficiently. Yes, training helps me work more efficiently.
Ya, pelatihan membantu saya bekerja lebih efisien.
Can you switch the lights off, please? Can you switch the lights off, please?
Bisakah kamu tolong matikan lampunya?
Sure, I'll switch them off right now. Sure, I'll switch them off right now.
Tentu, saya akan matikan sekarang.
Do you know the way to the nearest bank? Do you know the way to the nearest bank?
Apakah kamu tahu jalan menuju ke bank terdekat?
Yes, the bank is just around the corner. Yes, the bank is just around the corner.
Ya, banknya ada di sekitar sudut jalan itu.
Is there a faster way to finish this task? Is there a faster way to finish this task?
Apakah ada cara lebih cepat menyelesaikan tugas ini?
Yes, you can ask for help from others. Yes, you can ask for help from others.
Ya, kamu bisa minta bantuan orang lain.
Can you improve your performance next week? Can you improve your performance next week?
Bisakah kamu meningkatkan kinerjamu minggu depan?
Yes, I will focus better and work harder. Yes, I will focus better and work harder.
Ya, saya akan lebih fokus dan bekerja lebih keras.
What is this application used for? What is this application used for?
Untuk apa aplikasi ini digunakan?
This application helps manage schedules. This application helps manage schedules.
Aplikasi ini membantu mengatur jadwal.
Is the application free or does it cost? Is the application free or does it cost?
Apakah aplikasi ini gratis atau berbayar?
It's free, but some features cost money. It's free, but some features cost money.
Gratis, tapi beberapa fiturnya berbayar.
Do you use apps to practice English? Do you use apps to practice English?
Apakah kamu menggunakan aplikasi untuk berlatih bahasa Inggris?
Yes, I use apps for English practice. Yes, I use apps for English practice.
Ya, saya menggunakan aplikasi untuk latihan bahasa Inggris.
Can I use your pen for a moment? Can I use your pen for a moment?
Bolehkah saya menggunakan pulpenmu sebentar?
Sure, you can use my pen. Sure, you can use my pen.
Tentu, kamu boleh menggunakan pulpen saya.
Why should I continue learning English? Why should I continue learning English?
Mengapa saya harus terus belajar bahasa Inggris?
It helps with jobs and travel. It helps with jobs and travel.
Itu membantu dalam pekerjaan dan perjalanan.
How much does it cost to repair this phone? How much does it cost to repair this phone?
Berapa biaya untuk memperbaiki ponsel ini?
It costs about 100,000 rupiah to repair it. It costs about 100,000 rupiah to repair it.
Biayanya sekitar 100.000 rupiah.
How can I improve my English? How can I improve my English?
Bagaimana saya bisa meningkatkan bahasa Inggris saya?
Practice daily and read more books. Practice daily and read more books.
Berlatih setiap hari dan baca lebih banyak buku.
Should we forward the details to the boss? Should we forward the details to the boss?
Haruskah kita teruskan detailnya ke bos?
Yes, forward it if it is urgent. Yes, forward it if it is urgent.
Ya, teruskan jika itu mendesak.
Can we continue our discussion tomorrow? Can we continue our discussion tomorrow?
Bisakah kita lanjutkan diskusi besok?
Yes, we can continue it after lunch. Yes, we can continue it after lunch.
Ya, kita bisa lanjutkan setelah makan siang.
How much time do you need to finish it? How much time do you need to finish it?
Berapa banyak waktu yang kamu butuhkan untuk menyelesaikannya?
I'll need about an hour to finish it. I'll need about an hour to finish it.
Saya butuh sekitar 1 jam untuk menyelesaikannya.
Can you operate this machine properly? Can you operate this machine properly?
Bisakah kamu mengoperasikan mesin ini dengan benar?
Yes, I have been trained to use it. Yes, I have been trained to use it.
Ya, saya sudah dilatih untuk menggunakannya.
How can I increase my income? How can I increase my income?
Bagaimana saya bisa menambah penghasilan saya?
Try freelancing or starting a business. Try freelancing or starting a business.
Coba freelance atau memulai bisnis.
Can we go up the hill before it gets dark? Can we go up the hill before it gets dark?
Bisakah kita naik bukit sebelum gelap?
Sure, but we need to hurry a little. Sure, but we need to hurry a little.
Tentu, tapi kita perlu sedikit cepat.
How do we apply for a new job? How do we apply for a new job?
Bagaimana cara kita melamar pekerjaan baru?
We apply by submitting our resume. We apply by submitting our resume.
Kita melamar dengan mengirimkan resume kita.
How do you usually warm up before sports? How do you usually warm up before sports?
Bagaimana biasanya kamu melakukan pemanasan sebelum olahraga?
I stretch and jog for 5 minutes. I stretch and jog for 5 minutes.
Saya melakukan peregangan dan lari-lari kecil.
Can we go on with the meeting? Can we go on with the meeting?
Bisakah kita lanjutkan rapat ini?
Yes, let's discuss the next point. Yes, let's discuss the next point.
Ya, mari bahas poin berikutnya.
How was the reception at the wedding? How was the reception at the wedding?
Bagaimana acara resepsi di pernikahannya?
The reception was lively and fun. The reception was lively and fun.
Resepsinya meriah dan menyenangkan.
Can exercise increase energy levels? Can exercise increase energy levels?
Apakah olahraga bisa meningkatkan energi?
Yes, it boosts energy and reduces stress. Yes, it boosts energy and reduces stress.
Ya, itu meningkatkan energi dan mengurangi stres.
Should we go ahead with this plan? Should we go ahead with this plan?
Haruskah kita lanjut dengan rencana ini?
Yes, everything looks good to me. Yes, everything looks good to me.
Ya, semuanya terlihat baik bagi saya.
Can you give me the receipt for this purchase? Can you give me the receipt for this purchase?
Bisakah kamu memberi saya struk untuk pembelian ini?
Yes, here is your receipt. Yes, here is your receipt.
Ya, ini struk untukmu.
How often do you change your phone password? How often do you change your phone password?
Seberapa sering kamu ganti kata sandi ponselmu?
I change it every month for security reasons. I change it every month for security reasons.
Saya menggantinya setiap bulan untuk keamanan.
Do you need confirmation by email? Do you need confirmation by email?
Apakah kamu butuh konfirmasi lewat email?
Yes, please send it to me. Yes, please send it to me.
Ya, tolong kirimkan kepada saya.
How do I switch my phone settings? How do I switch my phone settings?
Bagaimana cara mengganti pengaturan ponsel?
Go to settings and change options. Go to settings and change options.
Masuk ke pengaturan dan ubah opsi.
Why do prices rise during the holidays? Why do prices rise during the holidays?
Mengapa harga naik saat liburan?
Demand rises so prices go up as well. Demand rises so prices go up as well.
Permintaan naik sehingga harga juga naik.
Can you take a turn driving on our road trip? Can you take a turn driving on our road trip?
Bisakah kamu bergantian menyetir di perjalanan kita?
Sure, I'll take the wheel after 2 hours. Sure, I'll take the wheel after 2 hours.
Tentu saya akan mengambil alih kemudi setelah 2 jam.
Is it okay to surrender when feeling tired? Is it okay to surrender when feeling tired?
Apakah boleh menyerah saat merasa lelah?
Rest first, but don't give up completely. Rest first, but don't give up completely.
Istirahat dulu, tapi jangan menyerah sepenuhnya.
Where did you get that t-shirt? Where did you get that t-shirt?
Di mana kamu membeli kaos itu?
I got it from a small shop downtown. I got it from a small shop downtown.
Saya membelinya di toko kecil di pusat kota.
Can you carry out this task today? Can you carry out this task today?
Bisakah kamu melaksanakan tugas ini hari ini?
Yes, I will carry it out right away. Yes, I will carry it out right away.
Ya, saya akan melaksanakannya segera.
When will you move to Jakarta? When will you move to Jakarta?
Kapan kamu akan pindah ke Jakarta?
I will move there next year. I will move there next year.
Saya akan pindah ke sana tahun depan.
Can you check the internet connection? Can you check the internet connection?
Bisakah kamu periksa koneksi internetnya?
Yes, I will check the connection now. Yes, I will check the connection now.
Ya, saya akan memeriksa koneksinya sekarang.
Why did you remove that photo? Why did you remove that photo?
Kenapa kamu menghapus foto itu?
I didn't like how it looked. I didn't like how it looked.
Saya tidak suka tampilannya.
Can we continue where we stopped? Can we continue where we stopped?
Bisakah kita lanjutkan dari titik terakhir?
Sure, let's start from that point. Sure, let's start from that point.
Tentu, mari mulai dari titik itu.
Should we advance to the next level? Should we advance to the next level?
Haruskah kita maju ke level berikutnya?
Yes, we are ready for it. Yes, we are ready for it.
Ya, kita sudah siap untuk itu.
Can we modify this old car? Can we modify this old car?
Bisakah kita memodifikasi mobil tua ini?
Yes, let's upgrade the engine. Yes, let's upgrade the engine.
Ya, mari kita tingkatkan mesinnya.
Is it easy to take this test? Is it easy to take this test?
Apakah mudah untuk mengikuti ujian ini?
No, it is challenging to take this test. No, it is challenging to take this test.
Tidak, mengerjakan ujian ini cukup menantang.
Are you ready to undertake this project? Are you ready to undertake this project?
Apakah kamu siap mengerjakan proyek ini?
Yes, I have prepared all the materials. Yes, I have prepared all the materials.
Ya, saya sudah menyiapkan semua bahan.
Can you give me a chance to explain? Can you give me a chance to explain?
Bisakah kamu memberiku kesempatan untuk menjelaskan?
Yes, I will give you a chance to speak. Yes, I will give you a chance to speak.
Ya, saya akan memberimu kesempatan untuk bicara.
What's the benefit of exercising daily? What's the benefit of exercising daily?
Apa manfaat dari berolahraga setiap hari?
It improves health and boosts energy. It improves health and boosts energy.
Ini meningkatkan kesehatan dan menambah energi.
Can happiness be found in money? Can happiness be found in money?
Bisakah kebahagiaan ditemukan dalam uang?
Money helps, but happiness comes from within. Money helps, but happiness comes from within.
Uang membantu, tapi kebahagiaan datang dari dalam.
Do you think destiny is set? Do you think destiny is set?
Apakah menurutmu takdir sudah ditentukan?
I believe it's shaped by our choices. I believe it's shaped by our choices.
Saya percaya itu dibentuk oleh pilihan kita.
Can you help with furniture removal today? Can you help with furniture removal today?
Bisakah kamu membantu memindah furnitur hari ini?
Sure, I can help with the removal process. Sure, I can help with the removal process.
Tentu saya bisa membantu proses pemindahannya.
Can you calculate the profit this month? Can you calculate the profit this month?
Bisakah kamu menghitung keuntungan bulan ini?
Yes, I will calculate the profit soon. Yes, I will calculate the profit soon.
Ya, saya akan segera menghitung keuntungannya.
What did you gain from the workshop? What did you gain from the workshop?
Apa yang Anda peroleh dari lokakarya tersebut?
I gained useful knowledge and skills. I gained useful knowledge and skills.
Saya mendapatkan pengetahuan dan keterampilan yang berguna.
How can we boost our revenue fast? How can we boost our revenue fast?
Bagaimana kita bisa meningkatkan pendapatan kita dengan cepat?
Improve sales and reduce extra costs. Improve sales and reduce extra costs.
Meningkatkan penjualan dan mengurangi biaya tambahan.
Can you set the table for dinner? Can you set the table for dinner?
Bisakah kamu menata meja untuk makan malam?
Sure, I will do it right now. Sure, I will do it right now.
Tentu, saya akan melakukannya sekarang.
Can you help me repair my phone screen? Can you help me repair my phone screen?
Bisakah kamu membantu memperbaiki layar ponselku?
Yes, I can repair it at a low cost. Yes, I can repair it at a low cost.
Ya, aku bisa memperbaikinya dengan biaya rendah.
Can you help me with this correction? Can you help me with this correction?
Bisakah kamu membantu saya dengan koreksi ini?
Yes, I can help with the correction. Yes, I can help with the correction.
Ya, saya bisa membantu dengan koreksi itu.
How do you track monthly revenue easily? How do you track monthly revenue easily?
Bagaimana cara melacak pendapatan bulanan dengan mudah?
Use software to manage financial data. Use software to manage financial data.
Gunakan perangkat lunak untuk mengelola data keuangan.
What is the biggest improvement you have made? What is the biggest improvement you have made?
Apa peningkatan terbesar yang telah kamu buat?
The biggest improvement is in my time management. The biggest improvement is in my time management.
Peningkatan terbesar adalah dalam manajemen waktu saya.
Is celebrity endorsement effective for sales? Is celebrity endorsement effective for sales?
Apakah dukungan selebriti efektif untuk penjualan?
Yes, celebrity endorsement boosts sales. Yes, celebrity endorsement boosts sales.
Ya, dukungan selebriti meningkatkan penjualan.
Can you occupy this seat for me? Can you occupy this seat for me?
Bisakah kamu menempati kursi ini untuk saya?
Yes, I will occupy it for you. Yes, I will occupy it for you.
Ya, saya akan menempatinya untuk kamu.
Can I extend the warranty after it expires? Can I extend the warranty after it expires?
Bisakah saya memperpanjang garansi setelah masa berlakunya habis?
Yes, you can extend the warranty for a fee. Yes, you can extend the warranty for a fee.
Ya, kamu bisa memperpanjang garansi dengan biaya tambahan.
How can I build determination to achieve my dreams? How can I build determination to achieve my dreams?
Bagaimana saya bisa membangun tekad untuk meraih mimpi saya?
Start with small goals to build determination. Start with small goals to build determination.
Mulailah dengan tujuan kecil untuk membangun tekad.
When was the establishment of this company? When was the establishment of this company?
Kapan perusahaan ini didirikan?
The establishment was in the year 1995. The establishment was in the year 1995.
Pendiriannya pada tahun 1995?
Is my appointment confirmed now? Is my appointment confirmed now?
Apakah janji temu saya sudah dikonfirmasi sekarang?
Yes, it is set for tomorrow. Yes, it is set for tomorrow.
Ya, sudah dijadwalkan untuk besok.
How long does furniture restoration take? How long does furniture restoration take?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk restorasi furnitur?
It usually takes 1 week for restoration. It usually takes 1 week for restoration.
Biasanya memakan waktu 1 minggu untuk restorasi.
Did you hear about her promotion at work? Did you hear about her promotion at work?
Apakah kamu mendengar tentang promosinya di tempat kerja?
Yes, she got a promotion to manager position. Yes, she got a promotion to manager position.
Ya, dia mendapat promosi menjadi manajer.
Do I need your consent for this project? Do I need your consent for this project?
Apakah saya memerlukan persetujuan kamu untuk proyek ini?
Yes, I need to give my consent first. Yes, I need to give my consent first.
Ya, saya perlu memberikan persetujuan saya terlebih dahulu.
Should we continue the meeting tomorrow? Should we continue the meeting tomorrow?
Haruskah kita melanjutkan rapat besok?
Yes, we can continue where we left off. Yes, we can continue where we left off.
Ya, kita bisa melanjutkan dari bagian terakhir.
Why did they surrender so quickly? Why did they surrender so quickly?
Mengapa mereka menyerah begitu cepat?
They had no choice but to surrender. They had no choice but to surrender.
Mereka tidak punya pilihan selain menyerah.
Can you help me organize this collection? Can you help me organize this collection?
Bisakah kamu membantu saya mengatur koleksi ini?
Yes, I can help sort your collection. Yes, I can help sort your collection.
Ya, saya bisa membantu menyortir koleksimu.
Can you execute this plan for me? Can you execute this plan for me?
Bisakah kamu melaksanakan rencana ini untuk saya?
Yes, I can execute it well. Yes, I can execute it well.
Ya, saya bisa melaksanakannya dengan baik.
How is the transition going at your new job? How is the transition going at your new job?
Bagaimana transisi di pekerjaan barumu?
It's going well, but it's a bit challenging. It's going well, but it's a bit challenging.
Transisinya berjalan baik, tapi sedikit menantang.
Can you turn the music down a little? Can you turn the music down a little?
Bisakah kamu mengecilkan musiknya sedikit?
Sure, I'll turn it down right away. Sure, I'll turn it down right away.
Tentu, saya akan mengecilkannya sekarang juga.
Do you have a good connection here? Do you have a good connection here?
Apakah kamu memiliki koneksi yang baik di sini?
Yes, the internet connection is very strong. Yes, the internet connection is very strong.
Ya, koneksi internet di sini sangat kuat.
I think we should remove the old posters. I think we should remove the old posters.
Saya rasa kita harus mencopot poster-poster lama itu.
Agreed, they don't match the new theme. Agreed, they don't match the new theme.
Setuju, mereka tidak sesuai dengan tema baru.
Can you modify this document for me? Can you modify this document for me?
Bisakah kamu memodifikasi dokumen ini untuk saya?
Of course, I'll make the changes immediately. Of course, I'll make the changes immediately.
Tentu, saya akan segera melakukan perubahan.
A disaster like this requires immediate action. A disaster like this requires immediate action.
Bencana seperti ini memerlukan tindakan segera.
Absolutely, the priority is saving lives. Absolutely, the priority is saving lives.
Tentu, prioritas utamanya adalah menyelamatkan nyawa.
Can you explain the stipulation more clearly? Can you explain the stipulation more clearly?
Bisakah kamu jelaskan ketentuan ini lebih jelas?
Yes, the stipulation is about quality control. Yes, the stipulation is about quality control.
Ya, ketentuannya adalah tentang kontrol kualitas.
How long does the legalization process take? How long does the legalization process take?
Berapa lama proses legalisasi ini berlangsung?
The legalization process takes about a week. The legalization process takes about a week.
Proses legalisasi memakan waktu sekitar seminggu.
Is the seating arrangement flexible? Is the seating arrangement flexible?
Apakah pengaturan tempat duduknya fleksibel?
Yes, you can choose your seat. Yes, you can choose your seat.
Ya, kamu bisa memilih tempat duduk kamu.
Can you give me an explanation for this rule? Can you give me an explanation for this rule?
Bisakah kamu beri penjelasan untuk aturan ini?
Yes, the explanation is quite simple actually. Yes, the explanation is quite simple actually.
Ya, penjelasannya sebenarnya cukup sederhana.
How do you overcome misfortune? How do you overcome misfortune?
Bagaimana kamu mengatasi kemalangan?
I focus on positive things. I focus on positive things.
Saya fokus pada hal-hal positif.
Did you receive validation for your ticket? Did you receive validation for your ticket?
Apakah kamu menerima validasi untuk tiket kamu?
Yes, I got the validation at the entrance. Yes, I got the validation at the entrance.
Ya, saya mendapatkan validasinya di pintu masuk.
Do you trust government institutions? Do you trust government institutions?
Apakah kamu percaya pada institusi pemerintah?
Yes, but they need to be transparent. Yes, but they need to be transparent.
Ya, tetapi mereka harus transparan.
What is your favorite cultural event? What is your favorite cultural event?
Apa acara budaya favorit kamu?
I love traditional dance performances. I love traditional dance performances.
Saya suka pertunjukan tari tradisional.